Right, I've picked up a centre line and I've put a centre pop where I want the first hole. I've got it all lined up. So I'm going to zero my DRO so I know that hole there is number 0. Little bit of this Martian snot. I like it. I think Martian snot's a much better word than anchor loop. Anchor loop's too sort of I tell you what it is, mate, it is good gear, it really is. Right, we'll open that up to 12mm, in fact we'll do it a 1/2 inch, then we've got a little bit of clearance for the 12mm studding. Martian snot, very economical you're using it, a syringe like that, doesn't dry out. Right now I'm going to have to measure the distance between the 2 holes on the lamps, which will probably be, it looks like 6 inches, it'll be a solid size, it's bound to be. Right, so if we go centre of that hole, and that's the centre of that hole, it's an imperial ruler, 5 3/4. Right, so we'll do it in metric and then we can mark out and drill the other hole. So in metric we've got, we'll start at 10, we'll start at the end. 145mm, 145. Yep. And 45. Looks good. We'll convert that to inch. Sure enough, 5.75. Right. Here are the Martians on there. This cheap drill truck's been very good. Best thing I ever did was machine the 2 big flats on it so I can tighten it properly. It always grips drilling. It's when you're using it as a tap, it doesn't like going backwards. Goes under there like that. Hopefully, if our measurements were right, which they must have been somewhere near. And you can obviously put this, whatever height you want, set it up to his liking, and then I can machine the light stainless steel upstands or studs. There's a little bit of tolerance so you can jack it up and make sure they're nice and straight. I think that's going to look rather splendid on there, mate. put a little bit of slogger on there so we can line things up the way I want them. I've worked out the length of the studs we need. We've set the height of the lamps exactly where he wants them. I've got some stainless dome nuts and some stainless half nuts. We need to put some 12 by 175 threads on the end of these. I'll probably screw cut it and then run a die down once it's been screw cut. I've done this 12 by 175, at least the 175 pitch thread before, and I've had problems losing the thread. For all it's a metallic lathe and a metallic lead screw, I've found out that you don't disengage the lead screw on a 175 pitch because you cannot get it back in the same place. At least I don't seem to be able to. I've got a 175 foam tool here. Need to set it up so it's nice and square and true to the job and easier to do it. It's just to put it on something flat like that and then just move it until it's touching all the way down the tool, which that is. It's on center height, I know it is because I use this screw cutting tool all the time. I've got the gearbox set up to cut the 175 thread. I'm just going to touch the tool off. 0 the hand wheel. 0.2 cut on it. A little bit of marching snot. And engage the lead screw. And that won't be coming out until the thread's finished. It certainly looks like a 175 pitch. There's a little recess for the slow cutting tool to drop into, like that. So we'll back the tool off. 0 the hand wheel first, so we are do it. Reverse the lathe. Back to 0. Another 0.2. And away it goes again. This marching snot is just like snots, it clings and sticks. It doesn't come off the metal, it's ideal, I like it. And we'll disengage the drive there. 0 the counter. Reverse the motor, back out. Back to 0. More cut. Forward. And away it goes again. I'm going to run a die down the thread now just to finish it off. It's just about the size. I think that'll do for me. Excellent. This is the other end of the bar. I don't know if you noticed or not, but I did actually break that tip on that screw cutting tool, so I'm resorting to an old fashioned handmade one. Could screw cut this all the way down to full depth, but a die makes it a lot quicker. High-speed steel tool there, it's simply a broken milling cutter. going straight in here. The correct method is to go in at an angle with a compound slide, but for such a short fine thread it's not really that important. Goes into there like that. Hopefully, if our measurements were right, which they must have been somewhere near. And you can obviously put this, whatever height you want, set it up to his liking, and then I can machine the light stainless steel upstands or studs. There's a little bit of tolerance so you can jack it up and make sure they're nice and straight. I think that's going to look rather splendid on there, mind. Put a little bit of slugger on there so we can line things up the way I want them. That's both the brackets done. I'll try and get a shot of the roller when these have been installed. It's surprising how much time it actually took to make those, especially the square bits, like the tapered square bits, and then the stainless studs. I'm sure they're going to look nice when they're on the engine. I like doing this sort of thing, a very satisfying job. That was a bit of welding, bit of blacksmith sort of work, bit of screw cutting, everything I like really, and on top of all that, it's for a steam engine. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please click the button. It is free and it does make a massive difference. Anyway, thanks for watching.